of Lele, of Lagos, Kiki.
You go on the best.
When you're my painkiller, nashinda tapanado. Umeja mapenzi, mashetani wanakaa kando. Oh shushu, you found me from zero to hero. Bado tuko pamoja. Why you getting jealous? 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 Shushu, why you getting jealous? Why you getting jealous? Why you getting jealous? Why you getting jealous? They're getting jealous. I know they're getting jealous. Don't buy whatever they sell us. One way ticket to Europe. Yeah. وبالصدريقة وضبانته حالكي صعبان كنجر سويكا قدايا نفتك وسيحيا سيبان كوغو اهي بريان اهي بريان.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Welcome everybody. Jarir Win, Wahib Bashir Lasso. Into Ohio, New York, may down Syracuse, may down Denver, Idaho, Melbourne, Rocktown, yeah? So the water in down. We just had grand opening not too long ago, and today is just the second day. Amazing, yeah? We had so many people coming in. Wallahi, mashallah. But shout out to all the people that, came and support with the food and the cameraman. Hey man, we gotta shout out to, Salat. Man, Salat, you the best, bro. Keep doing what you're doing today. You're doing great, mashallah. So, but alhamdulillah, we going up and we're not stopping, just that. Haddana gadalum is nagana. We just keep going.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is your boy SJA. Kumagat Deb, Sheikh Noor, Jelani Aiden. Gig in Turukne Gucci Cutz. I'm one of the employees who works there and gives, fantastic cuts. Bring your kids if you're in town, if you're traveling, truck driver and whatnot, and you happen to be in Columbus, Ohio. Search up or ask about Gucci's cut. Come through. We give the best cut in the city, in the community, Bantu community.
Shiriwaae